Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sai and Yamini. Please like this video, share with your family members and friends, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive our notifications, and do not forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So let's start this video. Friends, today I am going to show you a easy Warli art. This Warli art, everybody can draw this. So let's start this. First main requirement, we need a book or scrapbook or a A4 sheet, pencil and scale. we should color. You can color with any colors. Now I colored. It is very beautiful. I colored with red, green, dark red, violet, dark pink and yellow, and skin color, and light green. It's very easy and beautiful. You can also try this. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, do not forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.